And today on Flavour Station, we're going to be making these lovely, succulent, oven jerk chicken wings. In the oven, succulent, spicy, juicy, just all-round lickable. First thing we're going to do, get a chopping board, sick one. We're going to make the paste. And in the jug, some scallion, couple scotch bonnets, some thyme, 5 garlic, pimento seeds. You can use mixed spice, like a teaspoon. You're going to need like 10, 12 of them, 15. Half an onion, chopped in half, of course. Then boom, some jerk seasoning and some all-purpose. But we'll get to that. Now, chop all this, peel all this, roughly like so. Don't have to be small, you can leave things whole. We're going to blitz it in a jug, yeah? Blitz it in the jug. Now, if you like chicken, feel free to like this video. Click the like, it's sick, it helps. Now, what we're going to do, get the jug. Wipe down your dirty pig. Now, we're going to get the jug again. Bit of jerk seasoning in there. I'd say about 3-4 tablespoons of that. Boom. All-purpose seasoning now. 2 tablespoons of that. Some Filippo Berry or olive oil just to lubricate the paste. You can use vegetable oil, coconut oil if you want. Hand blender. Food processor works just as well, but me not have it. So it's a hand blender for now. Cling film so it don't make a dirty mess everywhere. Splasher. And then just blitz. So you get a fine paste. It can be chunky too, but you want all the scotch bonnet, the thyme, the scallion, everything to make a paste and go all lovely and just dank, to be honest, till it's like that. See it there? Now, subscribe, hit the bell, you know the score. Now that our paste is made, we'll come for the chicken wings. We didn't make flats and drums this time. We're going to leave them nice and big, chewable, nice for buffets. Going to get your paste on there. That's washed chicken. If you're still one of these people that say you shouldn't wash chicken, stop it. Get some help. You heard MJ. Now, you just want to mix that in. Looks like baby poo, doesn't it? Nah, man, trust me. Mix that in, incorporate it, use your hands, get stuck in there into all the flaps. Yeah, man. Mad thing. Now, once it's all incorporated, don't worry about the looseness either, because it's all going to cook out in the oven. It dries out, this, that, the other. You'll see the pattern. You'll see the pattern. Now, it's all like that. We're just going to cover it with some cling film. Jobs are good 'un. Into the fridge overnight or for at least 6 hours. Pattern the thing.
6 hours later.
Now, next day or 6 hours later. Take that out, see how it's... Oh, yeah. Yeah, man. Look. That flavour will be through to the bone, let me tell you. Now, OCD level overdrive, oven bag, you know how I roll. Bang it all in there. Tie your bag up. Yes. Tie, twist, tie. Yeah. These bags are actually perforated, so it does like evaporate a little bit inside, but then we finish it off nicely with the bag open. You get me? Look. Make sure it's nice and flat so they cook evenly. Oven tray. Bang. Oven 180, 200 if you're fan assisted, and then boom, 40 minutes. Look at that. After about 40 minutes, you want to just take them out, check them, but 40 minutes is always my go-to time. They look burnt, don't they? Wrong. Yeah, man, oven jerk. Now what you want to do, if they're not looking too golden and crispy and that, you can put them back in the oven for an additional 10 minutes, but I don't even bother this time round. Look, man, look on this something. Ah, yes, oven jerk chicken wings. Can we just admire how incredible they are? I wish you could taste them. They were next level, falling off the bone, spicy, sweet, everything. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.